2 years ago, we set out to reimagine backyard birding, bringing you closer to birds everywhere. With your support, we created 100 million connections with nature and countless moments of joy. Welcome to the second chapter. Indulge your senses. Can you feel the vibrations with the tips of your fingers? There's a buzzing sound reaching your ears, the mellowest of breezes caressing your cheeks. It's a hummingbird. Be captivated as it hovers mid-air, sipping sweet nectar, carrying pollen from one flower to another, helping out the oh-so-busy bees. These little creatures brighten up our gardens, sharing their vibrant colors and tireless energy, inspiring us to appreciate nature. Behold the enchantment of our smart hummingbird feeder, drawing these mesmerizing beings closer still, weaving a tapestry of unforgettable memories within the sanctuary of your home. Notice how graceful flying dancers keep your garden jazzy and welcoming to everyone. Just like the humble hummingbird, gracefully flapping its tiny wings, maintaining the natural equilibrium, we must do our share. Every step of the way from our offices to your backyard, we are committed to supporting science and protecting the environment. Now also with a stunning bird bath for our feathered friends to splash and play to their heart's content. Capture photos and videos of these little fellas basking in the sun, showing you and your family an entirely new meaning of the term bird's eye view. Seasoned bird watchers already know, and new enthusiasts have yet to learn how to really inhabit the world, to marvel at its wonders, and be grateful for all living beings without exception. It may be a dream, but it's a dream you can make come true.
Has a unique story to tell. You know who the real stars of these stories are? Birds. They're the ones who steal our hearts with their beauty and sweet melodies.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Sometimes you can't wait to share your beautiful moments of these stars, but somehow you end up miss out.
Don't worry about that. Let me show you something. Come on. Check out this gift my son gave me for Christmas.
What is it?
That is a smart birdhouse.
It has a camera in it, and you can look at the birds in the house through the phone.
Now you can watch them anytime.
Wow, that's amazing.
With the Birddy Smart Birdhouse, you will never miss a single moment. It's not just a nestling place for birds. It's also your exclusive peek into the enchanting world of birds. AI video categorization lets you write your own bird story, watching their flights, meals, and even the magic of hatching. Crafted from solid pine wood with 4 entry sizes for different birds, and equipped with 8 vents and a skylight. creating an eco-friendly and bird-friendly birdhouse. With instant notification, each visit can become a news story. That's the experience Birdie Smart Birdhouse promises, a vivid, tangible world of nature. Let's redefine the future of bird watching together. Birdie Smart Birdhouse, your window to the bird world. Tom likes birds very much and doesn't want just to see them in books.
Dad, there's a bird! Look at the birdhouse!
It doesn't seem so easy to capture a bird.
Is it this kind of bird?
Maybe. Nor is it easy to be a good dad. But I don't want to see him disappointed. I found a smart AI bird feeder camera called Birdfy. It can automatically identify more than 6,000 species of bird. This is Birdfy feeder with volume of 1.1 liters. It automatically drops food for our lovely guests. The Birdfy cam captures the moments of birds common. With a massive database of more than 6,000 species of birds, Birdfy cam can instantly use its cutting-edge technology and AI recognition to identify the birds and deliver the information directly to your phone.
Eurasian tree sparrow? Squirrel, go away!
Birdfy's enhanced 1080 pixel FHD lens and 110 degrees wide view angle capture the live streaming of birds visiting, and those moments will be saved in the NetView app automatically. NetView Birdfy Cam, as an AI assistant, helps us learn the birds, capture the perfect shots day and night, and become their friends. For your information, is waterproof. NetView Birdfy Cam, the choice of bird lovers.
Easier to watch birds right from the comfort of your backyard, but birds flew away. And squirrels destroyed your carefully prepared bird seed. Introducing the Birdkiss S1 Smart Bird Feeder. Designed for birdwatching and feeding right from your home. The Birdkiss S1 is a beautiful addition to your backyard. Its all-metal construction ensures durability and will withstand all the elements your yard can put it through. The bird feeder features a cleverly designed slotted feeding structure that makes it difficult for pesky squirrels to steal your bird seed. A 1080p camera with motion-activated recording means you'll capture every coming bird in HD video. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi on the S1 also means an easy connection to your smartphone and lets you check in on the camera's view from anywhere, anytime. Not only that, but our bird recognition AI technology will notify you and identify the species of your visitor. And the cloud storage subscription allows for automatic uploads so that you can share them easily with friends and family on the cloud. The Birdkiss S1 Smart Bird Feeder holds 1.2 kilograms of birdseed and is super easy to clean. Its easy install design makes setup a breeze. The modular design lets you easily add suet balls, jelly, or a hummingbird water tank, letting you invite a whole new variety of feathered friends to your backyard. The S1's built-in battery will last for several weeks without a charge, and with the included solar panel charging kit, you essentially will never have to worry about keeping it powered. The Birdkiss S1 Smart Bird Feeder is the best way to welcome bird friends visiting your backyard and to let your friends and family enjoy them with you.